name is Wayne, and welcome to my channel.
Alright, today we're going to talk about parking assist, and we'll first talk about the limitations of it. And parking assist is basically there to assist you in parking, but like I said before, it does have a few limitations. Active parking assist does not assist you in parking in space at right angle to the direction of travel if two parking spaces are located directly next to each other. The parking space is directly next to a low obstacle, such as a low curb. The parking space is on the curb. The system reads the parking space is being blocked, or for example, grass paving blocks, or the area is too small for the vehicle. So it does require your assistance. It does require you to make a judgment whether your car will fit in that parking space or not. It does require you to put the car in either drive or reverse, and while you're doing that, your foot should be on the brakes at all times. They call that riding the brakes, but your foot should be on the brakes, so if the car is, maybe going a little bit too fast into the curb, or you can control the speed of it. And then when the parking assist is done, it's going to tell you on the screen that it's finished. So right now, I'm in between two cars. I'm going to go ahead and pull up next to the car on the right, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the car in reverse and watch the message that comes up on the screen. And we'll see if we can, show you or demonstrate, so you have a good idea of how to use it. All right, we're going to put the car in reverse, see if we get the message. And it says start park assist. We want to hit yes, and we're going to hit yes on the steering wheel. We're going to go ahead and hit yes, and my foot is on the brakes. I'm going to take my foot off the brakes, let the car do its thing, and of course my foot is going to be on the brakes at all times, so to control the speed of going into the curb, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the stop. Now I'm going to put the car in drive. Go ahead and put the car in drive. Watch the steering wheel do its thing again. We put the car in reverse, and my foot is on the brakes at all times. I'm going to put the car in drive now, and when this parking assist is finished, it's going to say completed. Alright, we're going to do one more just so you can get a feel of it. And this parking spot is big enough for this car to fit in. I'm going to go ahead and put the car in reverse. And we have the parking assist. We're going to go to our steering wheel. We're going to hit OK. My foot is on the brakes. I'm going to zoom out, let the car do its thing. Steering wheel is turning. My foot is on the brakes at all times. And at the same time, I'm looking in the mirror to see how close I am. Now I'm going to put the car in drive. Zoom out so the camera can get a good feel of it. Now my foot is back on the brakes. I'm going to put the car in drive because I'm not perfectly straight. Take my foot off the brakes. I'm going to stop. Put the car in drive. Alright, and there it is. So it's not fully automatic. It does require your intervention, and part of the intervention is having your foot on the brakes, as well as selecting the shift for the reverse and drive. And so that's basically it. Subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you soon.